Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is a relation between total cost, fixed cost and variable cost. So our today's topic is relation between total cost, fixed cost and variable cost. See, total cost is the sum total of fixed cost and variable incurred by the producer in producing commodity. Now, the behavior of fixed cost, variable cost and total cost is explained with the help of table 3 and figure 3. So the relation between total cost, fixed and variable costs is explained with the help of this table 3 and figure 3. This table shows the output in units, fixed cost in rupees, variable cost rupees and total cost in rupees. Now see in this table 3, total cost is found as the total cost is found as the sum total of fixed cost and variable cost, sum total of fixed cost and variable cost. With increase in output, total cost is also increasing. When output is 0, total total cost is rupees 10. When output is 0, total cost is rupees 10 because fixed cost is rupees 10, because fixed cost is rupees 10, although the variable cost is 0. You see, when the output increases to 6 units, when the output increases to 6 units, total cost goes up to rupees 48. That will equal to 38 plus 10. That means fixed cost plus variable cost. 38 plus 10, that will be equal to total cost 48. Because you know that total cost is equal to total fixed cost and total variable cost. So total cost is equal to total fixed cost and total variable cost. Now this is the table. So this table shows us that total cost can be known by the aggregating fixed cost and variable cost with the increase in output, and total cost is also increasing. Now when you see this figure, this figure 3 in this figure 3, the units of output are shown in x-axis and the costs on y-axis. Total fixed TFC shows total fixed cost. TVC shows total variable cost, and TC shows total cost. See, TC is the aggregate of total fixed cost and total variable cost. That means TC is the aggregate of TFC and TVC curves. So TC curve begins from 10 on the y-axis. It begins from 10 on the y-axis. This is because at 0 level of output, total fixed cost is rupees 10. So total fixed cost here is 10, while total variable cost is 0. TFC is 10 and total variable cost is 0. So total cost is also here 10. Also note here that the difference between total cost and total variable cost is constant. The difference between total cost and total variable cost is constant, because of which total cost and total variable cost are parallel to each other. And we also know that the difference between total cost and total variable cost is equal to total fixed cost, which is constant. So this figure shows that total cost is equal to total variable cost and total fixed cost. Total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to total cost, and TVC increases, total variable cost increases as output increases, and total cost is parallel to total variable cost. It shows the difference between total cost and total variable cost, that is equal to total fixed cost as constant. You can see this table with the help of this diagram. You see this table shows us when 1 unit of at the 1 unit of output, total fixed cost is 10 and total variable cost is 10 and total cost is 20. Here at 1 unit of output, total fixed cost is 10 and total variable cost is 10. So total cost here is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means TVC plus TFC, that will be equal to 20. So total cost here is 20, and same is the case here. At 6 units of output, total fixed cost is 10 and total variable cost is 38. 10 plus 38, that will be equal to 48. So total cost will be 48. So this is the relationship between total fixed and variable cost. Thank you very much.